In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have an automation that listens for emails in Gmail and instantly updates Klaviyo so your contacts, lists, and flows stay in sync without manual work. Start by opening an automation platform like Zapier, Make, or Albato. Any of these will work fine. Sign in and create a new workflow. The first thing you'll do is connect your Gmail account. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize access. Be sure you're using the correct Google account and grant only the permissions the platform requests so it can read the emails needed for your workflow. If your workspace enforces security policies, make sure you have admin approval before proceeding. Next, connect your Klaviyo account within the same workflow. Use the platform's native Klaviyo connector and complete the secure authorization flow. This establishes a trusted link so your automation can create or update profiles, add people to lists, and interact with your flows. Now choose your trigger. You can use a new email in Gmail trigger to capture every incoming message or select labeled email if you want tighter control. Using a label is helpful to avoid noise. Create a dedicated label in Gmail and apply it only to messages you want to sync, either manually or via Gmail filters. Select that label in your trigger settings to keep things clean and intentional. With the trigger set, choose your actions in Klaviyo. First, pick Create or Update Profile so that every qualifying email updates an existing profile or creates a new one if it doesn't exist. Then Add to List to place that profile into a specific Klaviyo list. This keeps your segments organized and can power list-triggered journeys. If you're running a flow that listens for a specific event, include the trigger flow or equivalent event action so the contact immediately enters that automation. This sequence ensures the contact is known to Klaviyo, added where you expect, and then moved into the right messaging. Next, map your fields. Map the email address from the Gmail data to the Klaviyo email field. If a name is available, map it to the first and last name fields. Add tags based on your process. For example, a tag that reflects the Gmail label, so you can filter or segment later. Double-check the mappings to prevent duplicates or incorrect data. Finally, turn the automation on. Most platforms let you run a quick test from a recent email. Use that to confirm everything looks right. Then switch it live and monitor the first few runs. That's it. You're connected and ready to scale.